Students, today we will do a small project. For small project on what? Small project on font dialog box. Small project on font dialog box. Fine, this is your font dialog box. So clicking here, what is happening? The style, the font, the size, everything is changing. So that is what we are going to try today. So the screen, you remember how the font dialog box is opening or how the font dialog box look like. So accordingly you design the form. Fine. So I'm designing here, please all of you watch. So at first I'm taking here a label for specifying what? For specifying font name. Font name. Fine. Same way, now I'm taking one more, that is here, that is for font style. Okay. Next, I'm taking one more, that is for font font size. Fine, students. Next, one more we have to take for what? Font size. Then color. Color was not there, but let's try color also because we learn color. So I'm doing here. I'm taking here font color. Okay. Font color. Fine, students. So now font name. There will be a list box. So keep a list box here. Okay. And for drawing the list box here in all the places, you need not to drag always from here. You can copy this. You can choose copy option, copy, and when you paste, remember one message will come like this. You choose no. Don't choose yes. You will get confused. Choose no. Later on, I will teach you what is the purpose of yes. No. So now you just drag and drop in the proper place. Okay. Fine. Same do paste again because we need not to copy. Just paste and choose no. Choose no and drag and drop here. Okay. Now doing paste. No. Choose no. Always choose no. Whenever you want to keep similar type of what controls, you just copy and paste. Choose no. Okay. Later on, I will say you what the purpose of yes or what we can do with yes. Okay, this is your design. Then what, where the where the sample will show? For showing the sample, let's take a label here. Let's take a label here with auto size true. With auto size true. Okay, and the size of this label will change accordingly. Accordingly, we choose there. So I'm making here sample. Fine. This style or this the color of this label will change when we choose the content from here. Fine, students. Now, students, let's continue with. I forget to give here text box, students. So we have to put here text box. You might have seen in Notepad font dialog box there is a text box. There is a text box. Let me show you. Then you will understand. See. This is text box, text box 1, text box 2, text box 3. So if I click here, it is changing here. Clicking here, changing here. Okay, that is what I am doing there. That is what I am doing here. So text 1 I took, I am removing the content and copying this. And copying this, choosing copy and pasting, choosing what? No, as I told you. Remember to choose no always. Okay, keep it proper place because the design has to be very nice. No, no, we have to bring it. Do carefully. Do carefully the design. Okay, then choose paste again, choose no. Now we will concentrate on the coding part. This is what the design is completed. Okay, the design is completed. Now we have to write the coding part for it. Okay, now when I click here, the content whatever here will display here. Okay, now let enter the content because when I'm running this program, see there is nothing here in list box. So there should be some content. Na? So how can we add it? Go to form load, because why? Now when the form will get load, when the form will get open, that time the content of list 1, list 2, list 3, list 4 will be displayed. Okay, so that's why what we will do, we will just go to form load. So double click on the form and write here list 1 dot add item is what? Arial. Okay, same way just copy and write times, copy and write courier. Okay, let this 3 to be there. Now run and check. See, understood? Same way form style will be what? Style will be what, students? Add item what? Bold. Okay, then italic, then underline. Now check, it's coming. Fine, students. Same way font size will be the numbers, so numbers, so many numbers are there, so better to take a for loop n equal to 1 to what, 1, don't give, they give 6 to 72 the font. And step 4, step 4 means what? I taught you, it means in first 6 will appear, thereafter 10 will appear. Okay, let me show you. Then let's 3 dot add item what? N. So please watch, 6, 10, automatically it's coming. Understood, students? Now let's do color. Let's do add color. So color has to be written after the for loop. So I'm giving here gap so that you can understand. So list number 4 dot add item, what we have to write there? Color red. Same way just copy and paste for green, copy and paste for blue. I'm just taking 3 color, you can add more color also later. Fine, students, everything is working. But what we saw in notepad, that when we click here the content is appearing here. Okay, but here it's not appearing. So how we can do that? So we have to double click on the list, and the content of list will appear on the text box. The content of the list will appear on the text box. So how we can write? Text1 dot text equal to list1 dot text. Okay, understood? Let me check, thereafter I will explain. Understood, students? Nice, na? So that is what the content of list 1 will appear on text 1. Same way you have to do for others also. You double click here and just copy this and paste here, and what we have to change? 2, and here you have to change what? 2. Fine. Then go again, double click here and paste. What you have to do here? 3, and you have to do here 3. Okay, understanding now, students? Double click. The same thing I'm just copying and pasting. Don't get worried that the coding get lengthy, means become lengthy. Obviously, when we are doing a small project or big project, obviously the coding will be bigger. See, understood? When I'm changing here, it's reflecting on top. Okay. Now, student, what to do? Now the above part is over. Now what we'll do? Now when I click here, the font should appear here. The style I choose, it should reflect here. So what we have to do? Where we have to write the coding then? When I'm clicking here, the content should change here. The style should change here. The size should change here. So it means I have to double click on this. Okay, and after this I have to write the coding. So what the name of this level is? Check, level number 5. So you have to write here level 5 dot what? Font name equal to list1 dot text. Understanding my point? Level 1 dot font name, level 1's font will be what? Level 5's font will be what? Now list 1's text, whatever you choose in list 1, that will be the style of the list. See, it is changing. Understood? So nicely it's changing. This we will do later in next video. Let's check size. So now go to here and double click on the size, and in size what I have to write? Text 1, sorry, so in size what we have to write? We will do it later.